Edvantage Science, and today we're going to take the traditional how many drops of water on a penny and take that activity and turn it into how to get a testable question. To start with, we're going to use our observe and wonder chart that you'll recall from a previous blog posting, and I'm just going to take some data that students could potentially create and fill in the table. And here you can see in this particular situation, the observations are blue and the wonderings are in orange. And now I'm going to take this a step farther so we can go from the observe and wonder chart to a testable question using a chart that Sandra and I developed called Student Engagement Through Inquiry. And this is part of our workshop program, and we use it with teachers all the time. And I think it's the greatest thing because we can take those observations and wonderings and use this new anchor chart to get us to a testable question. So you'll see the orange and blue boxes, and what we're going to start with is just put in some of the wonderings that we would have got in this particular activity. What type of coin, would that make a difference in the number of water drops? What if we used oil instead of water? Temperature of the water, height of the drop, and vary the drop locations are all now possible manipulated or independent variables. And probably the responding variable that I'll use is, what could I measure? The number of drops on the penny. And so taking those observations and wonderings and placing them into this new anchor chart now allows us to create a testable question. So first I'll bring across the blue post-it note, the number of drops, that's my responding variable. And then I'll say, let's take the type of coin. That's going to be my manipulated variable. And every other wondering, every other manipulated variable is going to be a control variable. And I really like that because it really brings home the point to the kids that everything else stays the same. We're only changing one thing. And that one thing in this case is the type of coin. And we're going to see how the number of water drops changes. So with that, we're almost there. Now we just take our post-it notes from the responding variable and the manipulated variable and carry it through to the last box, and we have our testable question. If I change the type of coin, what will happen to the number of drops on the penny? And there we are. We have a testable question that we can do our open inquiry with. Try it out. Let me know how it goes.